A very warm welcome at DSL. This is Stefan and you are watching DSL. So in front of us we have got a daily chart of Zydus Wellness Limited. So in the last trading sessions we have seen a rally of approximately 4% and that also with a very huge volume. You can see this volume. Approximately it is average volume is 631k and the recorded volume on the last trading session is 48.29 millions. So you can see a good rally in the stock coupled by a good volumes. But here a little bit concerning thing is that here you can see a wick. So this wick shows the presence of sellers at the top. So that is a concern thing to little bit because if you see the structure of the chart, the structure of the chart is not very encouraging because the stock is making a lower lows and lower highs pattern, which is considered to be a negative pattern for the stock. If a stock is making higher highs and higher lows, then it is considered the stock is in a uptrend. But when a stock is making a lower lows and higher lows, it is considered that the stock is in a downtrend. And but as far as the company is concerned, we all are aware of its products, Zydus as well as Glucose D. Glucose D is a very well-known product. Glucose D, sugar-free. Then there is Complan. Then there is a prickling powder Nycil. Then there is Ever Youth. So these are all the products of this company, but in the last quarter the company has reported a loss of 39.93 crore. So that is also a negative for the stock, and so you have to keep the stock has been very volatile. If you see the chart of the stock, here the stock has made a cup pattern and then it gave the breakout of the cup, but it could not sustain. It should have given, as per the book, it should have given a rally of this much from here, but it could not sustain the breakout of the cup, and then again it fell down, right? And if you see here, the stock has tried to move upwards. Here you can see the stock tried to move upwards, but it failed. Here also the stock tried to move upwards, but it failed. Now again here it is trying to move upwards, and only the time will say whether the third time it succeeds or it again fails to move upwards. Again, one more thing which you have to keep in your mind is that at present the geopolitical situations are not very favorable, and there is a war going on between Iran and Israel. So that will also have some or other impact on the stock, but the stock has taken a support from a very level. The last time also from this level the stock moved upwards, and it gave a very sharp move, but then again it slowly came down and it erased all the gains. Whatever it had. So you can have this stock on your radar, but only one thing is that I would recommend is that you have to keep your position sizing at a very very low level, because even though the stock had a revenue, there was a growth in the revenue, but the profit was net loss. So you have to keep a very small size, because the stock can move upwards or downwards. The stock can be very volatile. So with a small position sizing, you can, and with your stop loss, when your stop loss has to be this recent low, and of course if it breaks this channel, then it can come to this level also. So friends, we will keep for this day. If you have come for our channel for the first time, we request you to please subscribe our channel, like and comment. We will meet in the next video. Till then, good luck, bye bye, and take care.